Hi, so this video is to introduce you to Let 'Em Play God by Alfred Hitchcock. Okay, so I always introduce the text in the classroom and I go over the text and what they're about to help the students understand the text better. Unfortunately, since we're doing this digitally, that kind of gets cut off. But I thought I would prepare many of the texts this way by just giving you some background and some information about the text that will hopefully help you understand the text better so that when you're annotating the texts, you can understand them better and take better notes. Okay, so first of all, Alfred Hitchcock is a real person. He's a super famous director, and he was known for scaring his audiences, and he is called the master of suspense. And so you're going to read a nonfiction article, and he's going to explain to you, and he's a master director, he's going to explain to you what he thinks suspense is. Now, traditionally, people think suspense is being in the dark and monsters jumping at you. And he says that this is not suspense, that these are just jump scares, okay, like a scare tactic. And he does not want to do this in his movies. In fact, he says that he prefers counterpoint. He prefers it to be bright, sunny, right? Places where you expect there not to be suspense for it to be the most effective. And he puts suspense into two categories. They are whodunits, which he doesn't like, and letting his audience play God, which he likes. So the traditional whodunit is everybody, including the audience, does not know who did something. And we, just like the audience, are struggling through the whole movie or the whole story or the whole text to figure out who did something evil or wrong. He doesn't like that. He thinks it's scary, but it's not suspenseful. He prefers telling his audience, the readers or the viewers, who did it right at the beginning. And that's why he says that the audience is like a god, because we know everything and the characters in the drama don't. So we get to watch the killers or the monster or whatever kill somebody, and we know exactly who or what did it. And then he introduces us to all these characters, and they're struggling. And since we know who the killer is, we're watching the killer interact with everybody. And that, he thinks, creates a lot more suspense because we really want to find out what happens. So I hope that helps you understand the text a bit better. And if you have any questions, of course, you're going to ask me in class. See you in class.